So I'm from Chicago, so I've been in Vermont for like 6 years,
Yeah.
and I'm used to this at least twice a year. And since I've been here, I haven't seen a blizzard, and so now it's like, wow, I don't miss this.
And I got up this morning and looked at the roads and I was like, oh, they're gonna be perfect. So it's really fun to be out and seeing other people enjoying the snow and kind of digging out and just being in awe of the beauty of the snow in town. It's really nice.
We're snowed in. We have not been able to leave the house for the past 2 days. I was ready for spring. I really was. And then now this snowstorm. So I'm ready. I want to enjoy the weather, but it's just so hard to do that with all the snow.
It's relatively light. It's not a heavy water content, but there's so much of it, so I guess it all kind of equals out.
I think I might need some friends. I got more Bissell Brothers boxes. Sure is beautiful on the prom though. Watching everybody work to the same common goal, digging the city out.
Our second car, it's like, we're not even, you don't even think about that right now. It's like, let's just get one. My kid's got to be in school in like 40 minutes, so I got to get the car moving. And I came out here at 5:45 to start this, so it takes a while.
I'm definitely hoping for spring. This would be a good last storm.